If you're over 35, or love someone in that age range, you need to hear this now. Prostate problems can affect more than just your bathroom routine. They impact your confidence, your sleep, and even your social life. Before we continue, I want to make this clear. This product is only sold on the official website. Do not buy it on Amazon or other stores. To help you, I will put the official link in the description and the first comment, and it comes with a guarantee, ensuring you're getting the real, safe, and reliable ProstaFense. Often, it starts with frequent trips to the bathroom. Waking up 2 or 3 times a night becomes normal. Weak flow, constant urgency, discomfort, all of this affects your daily life and your self-confidence. And it's not just physical. Walks, trips, and even intimate moments become stressful. You're not alone. Millions of men face this silently. That's where ProstaFense comes in, a natural formula that works to restore prostate health, reduce inflammation, and bring urinary comfort. It's not just temporary relief. It addresses underlying causes like hormonal imbalances and cellular inflammation. After a few weeks using the 3-bottle kit, results started to show. Uninterrupted nights of sleep. Decreased urgency. The feeling of control over your own body. It's amazing how small changes can bring back freedom and confidence. Beyond physical improvement, there are mental benefits. More clarity, focus, and energy during the day. You can walk, travel, and enjoy life again without planning every trip to the bathroom. ProstaFense is natural and scientifically formulated. Ingredients like Saw Palmetto, Beta-Sitosterol, Zinc, and Pygeum are backed by research. It's not a medicine that just masks symptoms, it's a long-term solution. The first signs may appear within weeks. But the real impact is cumulative: restored balance, regained energy, daily comfort. The secret is consistency, not quick fixes. If you're starting to notice changes or already experiencing symptoms, don't ignore it. Go to the official link in the description and the first comment. Choose the 3 or 6 bottle kit. It's not just about immediate comfort, it's about regaining quality of life, freedom, and long-term confidence.